Introducing the C-Flow Dry Bilge System 2.0 and 4-Zone Splitter System, the ultimate solution for removing standing water from your bilge. Traditional bilge pumps and float switches often leave behind standing water, which can cause significant problems. Let's demonstrate this common issue. In our simulated bilge setup, we've installed a traditional bilge pump and float switch. As we add water to the simulated bilge, the float switch activates the bilge pump and water begins to be removed. However, as the water level drops, the float switch deactivates the pump, leaving residual water behind. This leftover water can cause significant issues. Standing water causes metal components such as the hull and engine to corrode and rust. It also creates a damp environment in your bilge, promoting the growth of mold and mildew. Stagnant water mixed with fuel and oil produces foul odors that permeate your vessel's cabin, creating a negative boating experience. This standing water also causes your bilge pump to cycle more frequently and reduces its lifetime and efficiency. Standing water left behind by your bilge pump adds unnecessary weight to your vessel, affecting your boat's fuel efficiency, performance, and stability. Now witness the difference when we add the C-Flow Dry Bilge System 2.0 to this traditional float switch and bilge pump setup. As we turn on the dry bilge system, we see the remaining leftover water being removed from the bilge. The C-Flow Dry Bilge System 2.0 utilizes a sponge to wick all of the moisture out of your bilge. The C-Flow Dry Bilge 2.0 features a programmable timer system. This allows you to customize how long and how often your system activates. It also has a manual operation button as well. Upgrade your C-Flow Dry Bilge System 2.0 with the C-Flow 4-Zone Splitter System. The C-Flow 4-Zone Splitter System allows you to transform your Dry Bilge System 2.0 from 1-zone to 4-zone coverage, allowing you to keep 4 independent bilge or water-holding compartments dry. To demonstrate, we have set up the C-Flow 4-Zone Splitter System alongside the Dry Bilge 2.0. We have simulated 4 independent bilge zones with different colored water. Now, let's see what happens when we turn on the Dry Bilge 2.0. Notice that the system is pulling red water from bilge zone 1. Now the system is pulling green water from bilge zone 2. Now the system is pulling yellow water from bilge zone 3. And finally, the system is pulling blue water from bilge zone 4. The system will continue to cycle between these 4 zones. The Dry Bilge 2.0 has dry run safe technology, so even if different zones have unequal amounts of water, you do not need to worry about your system being damaged. The C-Flow Dry Bilge 2.0 and 4-Zone Splitter System comes in both 12-volt and 24-volt configurations, and like all C-Flow products, it is backed by our industry-leading 4-year warranty. So, what are you waiting for? Get yours today.